Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of vegan stew. It's a surprisingly simple dish to put together, yet it offers so much warmth and comfort. Think of it as a hug in a bowl, packed with wholesome goodness. This recipe is designed to be both delicious and incredibly satisfying, perfect for a chilly evening or a healthy lunch option. First things first, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want a vibrant assortment of vegetables like hearty carrots, potatoes, and perhaps some sweet potato for a touch of sweetness. Don't forget legumes such as chickpeas or green lentils. They add fantastic protein and texture. And of course, a good quality vegetable broth, along with some canned diced tomatoes, will create that wonderful, savory base. Now, let's build that incredible flavor foundation. Start by sautéing your aromatic vegetables, like chopped onions, garlic, and celery, until they're beautifully softened. This step is crucial for depth. Then, stir in your favorite dried herbs and spices, such as earthy thyme and fragrant rosemary, along with a bay leaf. Don't forget to add a spoonful of tomato paste and let it brown slightly. This really concentrates its flavor and deepens the stew's color. Once those aromatics are fragrant, it's time to add your prepared vegetables, legumes, and broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully and the vegetables to become wonderfully tender. For a thicker consistency, you can simply mash a portion of the cooked vegetables or stir in a cornstarch slurry. Your perfectly comforting stew is almost ready. Now for the best part, serving. Ladle your hot vegan stew into bowls and consider a fresh garnish like chopped parsley or a dollop of vegan sour cream. This hearty stew pairs beautifully with crusty bread for dipping or a side of fluffy rice. Take a moment to truly savor the rich, comforting flavors of your homemade, wholesome meal. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.